Hello everyone, this is just a short tutorial on how to create a folder on a Mac. There are three ways you can create a folder. The first method is you click on the Finder and then you click File, New Folder. You can double click on it and rename the folder. Second method is right click on your mouse and then hit New Folder. If you don't have a right click on your mouse, you could hit Command and then just click on the mouse, and the New Folder option will appear. So there you have it. 3 ways you can create a new folder on a Mac.